The Princess of Wales, Kate Middleton, made her first official visit to RAF Coningsby in Lincolnshire in her role as Royal Honorary Air Commodore. During the visit, she met with service personnel and their families, gaining insight into the daily life and dedication of the base community. RAF Coningsby is home to one of the RAF's Quick Reaction Alert (QRA) teams, which remain on standby 24/7 to protect UK airspace. The Princess observed the Typhoon team in action and was briefed on the station's key operations. She highlighted the vital role the personnel play in safeguarding the nation, praising their commitment and service. The visit underscored her ongoing support for the armed forces and the significance of the RAF's contribution to national security.